Hi! Usually, only part of sprint backlog constitutes sprint goal. Each team has different proportions. In my current team, only about 50% of all issues contribute to sprint goal achievement. Remaining 50% are ongoing fixes, test debt, urgent requests during sprint, and preparations for next sprints. But how to focus a team on sprint goals tasks? How to highlight such tasks on your Jira board, especially if you have a lot of different issues in your sprint. Today, I will show you 4 ways to do it. Simply agree with your team that some exact priority value will be used for sprint goals issues only. In my example, you can see that example task 1, example story 2, and example story 3 constitutes sprint goal, and all of them have high priority. Then you can create a special quick filter to show sprint goals issues only. Here they are, only sprint goal issues and nothing more. Now let's see how the query for sprint goal filter looks like. 3 dots at the top right corner, board settings, let's wait, quick filters, and here it is, priority equals high, which means that we show all issues which have high priority value. And back to board. There are many pre-created default priorities in Jira Scrum project. I'm sure that you can easily sacrifice one of them for the sake of sprint goal. The same idea as with priorities. Just mark all sprint goal issues with some label. In my case, it is sprint underscore goal label. Also, I created special sprint goal quick filter for such issues. You see. Let's check how the query for this filter looks like. Go to board settings. Let's wait. And you can see here quick filter with the following query. Labels equals sprint underscore goal, which means that we show all issues which have this label value. Actually, this is not a standalone method, but an additional assistant for you. If you use one of the previously described methods, then you can additionally highlight sprint goal issues on the board with help of color. You can see that red vertical lines on the left of each issue card here from sprint goal. Thus, such issues will strike the eye more than others. But how to do that? Let's see. Go to board settings, then find card colors menu item. Here choose queries in the colors based on dropdown. Write your query and choose a color for left vertical lines. In my example, I used high priority as a query and chose the red color. By the way, Jira doesn't allow you to change the background color entirely. You can add only these color lines on the left. It's okay, don't be surprised. I tried to find a way how to change the whole background, but to no avail. I want to warn you in advance that this is too, I will say, brutal method and not suitable for everyone, but it might be useful in some cases. An idea here is to use flags. You can see that on the board two issues already are marked with flags, these ones. It looks like we forgot to mark third card from our sprint goal with a flag. Let's do it. This one. To mark an issue with flag, simply click on it with right mouse button and choose Add Flag. Then Jira proposes you to add a comment why the flag was added. You can simply skip this step or make a comment that this is part of sprint goal. Click Confirm. That's it. Now all issues that make up the sprint goal are clearly visible on the board. As usual, you can additionally set up a quick filter to show only issues marked with the flag. It works. Now let's check which query I used for this filter. Go to Board Settings. Then go to Quick Filters. And here is the query. Flagged is not empty. I think that the structure of this query doesn't need to be explained. As I mentioned at the beginning of this method description, it is too brutal. Issues marked with flags attract too much attention. Flags are generally used to highlight single critical problems like critical bugs, urgent requests, etc. Usually, they are not used for a normal group of some issues. That's all. I hope these methods will help your team stay focused on the sprint goal. If you use other approaches, please tell us about them in the comments. Bye.